Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to delete a Facebook account. First of all, open up the Facebook app on your phone. When you are into your account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. After that, go to Settings from the top right corner. Now, from Setting Head to Account Center, scroll down in the Account Center and tap on Personal Details. After that, tap on Account Ownership and Control and choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now select the Delete Account option. This option will help you delete your account permanently. After that, hit the Continue. Then choose the reason for deleting and hit the Continue button. Then, enter your account password and hit the Continue button. If you enjoy this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.